Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a significant development that could signal a major shift in the way governments and institutions view Bitcoin. The U.S. Treasury Secretary, Scott Bessent, has made headlines by publicly characterizing Bitcoin as an emerging store of value, essentially equating it with traditional assets like gold. This isn't just some casual remark. It's a formal acknowledgement that Bitcoin is being taken seriously as a legitimate form of wealth preservation. Now, let's take a closer look at what this means. Bessent's statement is significant because it reflects a broader acceptance of Bitcoin within financial circles. The Treasury's stance on Bitcoin marks a notable shift away from previous views that saw it solely as a speculative or transactional asset. Instead, they're now recognizing its potential to serve as a long-term value-preserving asset. This newfound recognition comes at a time when economic uncertainty is on the rise. As investors look for ways to hedge against macroeconomic volatility, digital assets like Bitcoin are increasingly being viewed as a viable solution. And it's not just individual investors. Corporations are also taking notice. Take Profusa, a digital health firm that recently committed $1 million to Bitcoin, citing its role as a digital store of value. But what really stands out here is the market data. According to Glassnode, Bitcoin holders currently sit on unrealized profits of $1.41 trillion, the highest level on record. This metric suggests a shift in investor behavior, with many adopting a long-term perspective rather than short-term speculation. As stablecoins and institutional players increasingly treat Bitcoin as a serious asset, its role in the broader financial ecosystem continues to expand beyond speculative trading. It's not just about speculation anymore, it's about building wealth over time. And that's exactly what this Treasury Secretary is acknowledging. The timing of Bessent's remarks is also noteworthy. The White House is preparing to release a major crypto policy report that could drive legislative action to formalize the regulatory framework for digital assets. This report is expected to advocate for clarity on the legal status of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which could further accelerate institutional adoption. So what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? Well, it's clear that institutions are taking notice. Increased adoption by institutions, higher investment volumes, and a more diverse financial landscape. These are all possibilities as regulatory clarity improves. For now, the U.S. Treasury's acknowledgement of Bitcoin as an emerging store of value represents a critical step toward its integration into the broader financial system. It's a sign that we're moving beyond the early days of cryptocurrency speculation and entering a new era of mainstream investment. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bitcoin Bulletin. We'll continue to bring you updates on the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, so be sure to subscribe and follow us for all your crypto news needs.